Well, the adventure starts. Got a military personnel in the canoe, which I guess makes me feel better or worse. And we're off on a very narrow canoe. The journey starts. I think I'm gonna... Yeah, every single canoe is outfitted with a military personnel, so I guess there's some stuff that's going on here they don't want anybody to know. So interesting. I've been blessed to get in on with a tour guide group because I am traveling alone, which is nice. And I'm going to record a little bit of this. I'm wearing this very luxurious life jacket. I didn't think the group I was with liked my humor. I said, you know why we're wearing these life jackets? We're wearing these life jackets so the crocodiles can't swallow you whole. They'll have to spit you back up. Nothing but a Suzuki. You know, I'm a Suzuki guy. Check out the military guy in the background. Very interesting. I can tell you that this canoe is very, very tippy. So if we ever do this door, we're going to get used to that. That's it. But it is a gorgeous day. I'm looking forward to the adventure. I've been doing a lot of research about the indigenous people here. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.